Left off, guys. Collecting more. Collecting the rock. Let's collect this rock. I love rock. You love rock. We love rock. Sorry for the weird intro. I've got a case of craziness. I can't deal with this no longer. Okay, so I got 13 for most of it. Okay. 2 more rock. Then we're gonna put up this mansion. Okay. A little rock couldn't hurt. Okay, now that we're ready for it. And then we go here. Take from basket. And then we go to that. Wait, I don't have enough. Okay. Oh, I only grabbed 2. 3. There we go. Okay, guys, let's see how big this mansion is. I can't place it on my uranium. Okay, I'm just gonna... Just gotta grab something from here. Is it in this one? No. Actually, probably grab that anyway. So put that to the basket. There we go. Take that from the basket. Okay. Now time to put up this house. We've been waiting to do this for so long. Well, I have. Whoa, that thing's freaking huge. Okay, it's just... How much was it to make again? 3. Okay, let's grab some more rock to make a pathway there too. And there's a... What is that thing? A poodle lion? Seems to be so many of them. I love this. Love this. Whoa! Okay, so we've got one room. And then we got like a second room around here. That's so cool. Yeah, we are not losing the space no matter what. If I lose the space, I'd be so angry because like So let's just get heaps of wood. So this is our new thing to do. We gotta grab so much wood. Enough wood to like furnish a whole thing. And we need to grab some more gold so that we can make a floor mat. or what they call it, a fancy rug. Okay. Let's grab that. This is just gonna be like a decor house, but it's gonna be good still. We're gonna treat it well. Oh my god, there's so much of this stuff now when I don't need it. Is that an elephant human? Gonna not allow freaks of nature like you to live. Come on, where's all that gold? Where's all that gold gone? Where's all that gold gone? For the first time in forever, I actually need some gold. Gold! Yes, I feel like gold's so much better in this game than it is in like Minecraft and stuff. I wonder how you get diamonds. I'm so high level though. I mean, I wonder if there's like the most leveled. Like, I wonder if there's a maximum amount of levels you can have. Because if there is, I'm probably pretty close. Like 100, maybe? Level up! So I can grab these pieces of wood. Okay, that's all I need really. Like everything around me dies. Okay, what are we gonna get this time? Okay, you see how many? Ooh, we got like most of them. Some are definitely better than others. Like, Eagle Eye isn't that great, to be honest. It's good for when you like need to see if your home's near. That's pretty much all that is really. But, like, I mean, you're not gonna actually use it that most of the time. Here we go. I'm back. It's time to create a lot of unnecessary stuff. Yes, I wanna build a bench and a big table. I do not have materials for a fancy rug. I can make one more chair. Okay, it's this one here. Take from basket. But I don't know why you need gold to build a fancy rug. I mean, what you really need is like fibers. I'm gonna go inside this place. Okay. So this, I'm gonna put, where should I put the big table? Big table's gonna be right in the center here. Oh wow, that's actually not that big in this thing. Go ahead, go ahead. I just want to place everything first. Oh, well, that's pretty big. I'm liking that. So now I have my little room. And I'm gonna have to grab way more wood to finish that. Seven. What does it? Okay, take that from it. And the wood. Okay, let's go. I think the table's in the right place. And then we're going to have 2 more on either side. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so guys, I'm glad you watched my video today. And please subscribe for more. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.